Alright, the Bushman fridge freezer drawer is finally installed. Come check it out.
The heavy duty Bushman fridge freezer drawer flush mounted in our L-shaped couch. Pick up some 6mm twin cable, conduit, inline fuse and vents. Measure and mark out the opening and cut it out. It doesn't have to be pretty. Screw down the riser board the unit will mount to. The compressor has a drain, mark it out and drill. Drill out the holes for the vents strategically for mounting bracket access. Featuring a 15 amp fuse, I'm also installing a 20 amp fuse for protection. Time to run the cable. Drill out your holes and run the cable from your power source to the unit. Now you have a negative and a positive with the fuse at the battery bank, and back up to install the Anderson plug for quick connection to the drawer. Borrow the Mrs. hairdryer for the heat shrink, making sure to silicone the holes up to keep the dust out. Installing the brackets with Loctite as you're sliding the unit in. Remember to slide the drain pipe in and seal both sides. Screwing the brackets down nice and tight. Connecting the cables to the battery to make sure it's all working correctly, and success. Screw down the vents for the airflow, and finally installing the fascia board for a sleek, flush finish.